Alright, welcome back to part 1 of 3 of the first wash down. Again, the whole idea of this is to see what you can do for the cheapest possible solution, because I know there's just so many products out there that do so many great things, and I tend to use them. I tend to look at them and not review them as such, but give them all a whirl. The whole point of this restoration is to do it the cheapest possible, so everything is available for pretty much under a tenner. It's just about elbow grease, time, and a bit of knowledge. So if you do get a car, if you pick up a car, you haven't washed it in 6 months, it's going to need a hell of a scrub. That's why I've used the clear bar, and that's why I've used the bug sponge. It's really aggressive, so it can scratch the paint, which this did. You'll see it in probably part 3. It's a little bit scratched up, but no worse than the local wash guy from Asda, who's just throwing his mitts straight on the dirt and giving it a good old scrub in. So if you do that and you don't pre-soak, pre-wash, you're really going to damage that paintwork. So carefully your car. But in this instance, this is getting paint and it's getting buffed back, so really didn't give a toss. Just scrub it off, get all them years of dirt out the paint, and then happy days after that. So So now that the first wash and rinse has gone on, still the clear coat is hanging onto water, no beading whatsoever because there's just no products on there. I've started to just go at it with a really aggressive bug sponge to get all the, this bird muck from years been sitting there. So you can see it's coming out there with that really aggressive sponge. It will be causing little scratches in the paint, but again, gonna go back and hit that with some polish anyway, so it didn't really matter. So stage 2. Rip everything off the top with this bug sponge, and then next phase is going to be clear bar.